Hi friends, today we are going to talk about the application process of JEE Main 2013 examination. The application process starts from November 8, 2012. Candidates are requested to apply online only because there is no offline mode for this exam. Candidates may ensure that you are filling genuine application form available online on JEE Main website, that is jemain.nic.in, and not somewhere else, because if you do it, your application will not be registered. Here are the steps to apply for JEE Main exam. Candidates should submit only one application form. Multiple applications will be rejected. The name in the application form must be same as in class 10 pass certificate. Also, the candidate should supply all the required details while filling up the online application form. Page 15 of JEE Main Information Bulletin has the procedure as well as the format for online application of JEE Main exam. The information given in the left column of the table will be asked in the online application form, and the instructions for applying is in the right column. As we can clearly see that we need to choose the right option for applying. For example, let's start with column 1. What exam or what paper are we choosing? Paper 1, paper 2 or both? Then we need to choose the mode of examination, pen and paper or computer based. Choose and click on the right option. And once if you have chosen computer based, then you need to give one examination city center here. This you can see in appendix 2. And if you have chosen a pen and paper based examination, you need to give 4 preferences. Let's go to appendix 2. Here are a list of examination cities for pen and paper based exam. Choose the one which is nearest to you or which you would be interested in. Here you have to give 4 preferences. Choose the 4 cities which are nearer to your place. And if you have chosen a computer based mode, then choose one city which is nearest to you where you would like to appear for the exam. Again, once we have given our choice, then we can go ahead and see the language choice, the question paper medium. Fill up your choice, and then the next section has personal details. Candidate's name, fill in your name here, mother's name, father's name, your state of eligibility, the state from where the candidate has passed in the qualifying examination. You need to check appendix 5 here. The state code of eligibility is given here. Just choose a relevant code, city, and fill in the details there. Then you see what category you belong to, general, SC, ST, OBC, etc. Fill in the right choice, and then fill in the date of birth, the gender, or see if in case of a girl child, if you are the only child of your parents, say yes or no. Nationality, most of us are Indians, hence we need to choose Indian. Place of residence, rural or urban. Then we need to put in the PIN code of the address where we are staying, of the place, town, city. The next section involves academic details. Year of passing class 10 examination. It has to be between 2005 and 2011. Also, the next column would have place of class 12 schooling. The village, town or city. Year of passing or appearing in class 12. That is 2013. Students will fill in 2013. What is the board for class 12 examination? You can check the board in the appendix 7, which is given here. And then all the information that is desired by them have to be filled in. I think roll number and all is not allotted as of now for class 12 students. The mode of preparation also they've asked, whether it is just self-study, individual tuition, coaching, correspondence, whatever way you're going about studying, you can fill in the relevant details. Also name and address of school from where past, related last school where you're studying right now. Then name and complete address has to be given here. Then the next section is contact details, wherein you can fill in your email address, mobile number, landline with STD code or any other contact number. The next section covers details of your guardian. What is your father's qualification, father's occupation, father's annual income, mother's qualification, mother's occupation, mother's income. All this information have to be filled in and you have to submit the form. Once you submit the form, a confirmation page with computer generated application number will appear on the screen. Please take a printout of the confirmation page on an A4 size paper. Affix a passport size photograph taken on or after 1st of October 2012 on the confirmation page. Put a left thumb impression there. Sign and write down the residential address at appropriate places provided for this purpose. Kindly note that the photographs must not be pinned or stapled. They may be pasted. The computer generated confirmation page with photograph pasted, address written and signed by the candidate and his or her parent has to be countersigned by the principal of the last institute attended or a gazetted officer. The exam fee for pen and paper based examination is given as under. For JEE Main Paper 1 or Paper 2, the fee for General and OBC boys candidates is Rs 800 and for girls it is Rs 400 only. For SC, ST, PWD, boys and girls, the fee is Rs 400 for both. If the candidates wishes to appear for both Paper 1 and Paper 2 in pen and paper based examination, the fee for General and OBC boys is Rs 1400 and for girls it is Rs 700. For SC, ST, PWD boys and girls, for both it is Rs 700. For foreign candidates, please refer to the information bulletin. Examination fee for computer based examination Paper 1. For General and OBC, it is Rs 500 for boys and 250 for girls. For SC, ST, PWD, boys and girls, it is Rs 250 only. If a candidate wants to appear for both Paper 1 in computer based mode and Paper 2 in pen and paper mode, then the fees is as such. General and OBC candidates, boys have to pay 1100, girls have to pay 550. For SC, ST and PWD, boys and girls both have to pay Rs 550. How to submit the fee? The fee may be submitted either by credit card, debit card or through a demand draft. In case you are preparing a demand draft, the same may be made in favor of Secretary CBSE payable at Delhi. For DD, please mention your computer generated application number and name on the reverse side of the demand draft. Here is a checklist of items to be sent to JEE Main Secretariat. Duly filled confirmation page, signed by the candidate, guardian and the principal of the educational institute where last studying. Demand draft can be of any scheduled commercial bank, should be ready and has to be sent along with the confirmation page. And payment if made to debit or credit card, send only confirmation page that carries the details of the payment transactions. Now the duly completed application form, that is the confirmation page along with payment details, should be sent by registered or speed post to the Executive Director, JEE Main Secretariat, CBSE, Parparganj, New Delhi. The complete address can be seen in the information bulletin or JEE Main website. Here are the important dates for JEE Main examination. Last date for filling online application is 15th of December. Last date of receipt or confirmation page at JEE Main Secretariat is 26th of December 2012. The dates of examination are as under: April 7th for pen and paper based examination, paper 1 as well as paper 2. April 8th to April 25th. This window is for computer based examination. The results for JEE Main examination 2013 is likely to be declared by 7th May 2013. You also need to set reminders on your mobile for these information. The slots dates for computer based examinations shall be displayed on the website by 1st February 2013 or set reminder for 1st of, and on 1st to 15th you can select this online slot for your computer based examination. You also need to set reminders on 1st of March. On that date, you can download the admit card online from the JEE website. Success Series wishes you all the best. Visit our website for latest updates. We also have JEE Main 2013 entrance exam preparation MCQ series and study material. Visit our website or the link given below this video to know more details or order online. Thank you. Have a great day.